Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and in good health. Now we will have our English reading class. So all of you take out your this English Radiant Reader book, chapter number 2, page number 15. See, the name of the story is written on the board. The Cat and the Bell. Chapter number 2, page number 15. So students, all of you take out your Radiant Reader book, chapter 2, The Cat and the Bell. Open at page number 15, chapter 2. The name of the story is The Cat and the Bell. So first, see, some words are given. You listen and repeat the words after me. Fast, fast. Best, best. Nest, nest. Rest, rest. Dust, dust. Stop, stop. Must, must. Now let us go to the story. Students, follow the lines of the story as I read the story and also repeat along with me. The Cat and the Bell. This is a story of some mice and a cat in a very old house. The house was full of dust. A few birds had their nests in the house. A big cat also came there every day. When the cat was away, the mice ran about here and there. But the birds and mice were afraid of the cat. The cat caught the mice and ate them up. When she was full, she sat down to rest. Now move to the next page, that is page 16. We must do something about it. The cat must stop catching us, said the mice. Then a little white mouse got up and said, "The best way is to run off fast when the cat comes." "How can we do that? We do not hear the cat when she comes to catch us," said the other mice. "Let us put a bell on her," said the white mouse. The mice were very happy. "Yes, let us put a bell on her," they said. "When the bell rings, we will run off fast." But an old mouse said, "Don't be so happy, my friends. Can you tell me who will put the bell on the cat?" So children, I know that you have understood the story while reading it only, but still, let us discuss the summary in brief. So there was an old house. The old house was full of dust. Dust means dirt. Some mice and a few birds stayed in that house. Nest means a bird's house where a bird stays. A big cat also came there every day. When the cat was not in the house, the mice were very happy. They ran about here and there. But the birds and mice were scared of the cat. Why? Because you know that cats, they eat mice, isn't it? So the birds and the mice were afraid of the cat. The cat used to catch the mice and eat them up. And after eating, she would sit down and take rest for some time. So the mice, they hold a meeting to stop the cat from catching them. They decided that we must do something so that the cat won't be able to catch us. A little white mouse, he gave a good plan. He told that it's best for us to run off fast when the cat comes. So he gave the suggestion that we can run off fast so that the cat won't be able to catch us. But the other mice told, how can we know when the cat will come? It is not possible for us to know when the cat will come. Then the white mouse told that let us put a bell on her. So it will be a better option to put a bell on the cat so that we may understand when she will come by hearing the sound of the bell. All the other mice, they were very glad. They told that yes, it is a very good plan. We must do something to put a bell on the cat, so that when the bell rings, we can run off fast. But an old mouse said, don't be so happy, my friends. So he told that there is nothing to be so happy, because who will put the bell on the cat? As you know, that it is not a very easy task to bell the cat. It is very difficult task to bell the cat, because the mouse who will go to bell the cat will eat him up. So it is actually impossible to bell the cat. It is not possible. Now see, idiom. What is an idiom? Idiom means you are too young to actually know what an idiom is, but still I am putting it in very easy words. Idiom is a group of words having a special meaning. Idiom is a group of words having a special meaning. To bell the cat is actually an idiom. To bell the cat means a very difficult task which is impossible to be performed. To bell the cat, it is an idiom. It means a very difficult task which is impossible to be performed. Now, what is the moral of the story, the lesson that we get from the story? It is that empty solutions are of no worth. The white little mouse gave the suggestion that we must put a bell on the cat, but was that actually possible? No, it was not actually possible, because no one will take the risk of putting the bell on the cat. So it is very easy to tell something, but very difficult to do it. It is very easy to tell something, but very difficult to do it. Like it was very difficult to bell the cat. Though the white little mouse gave the suggestion that we can bell the cat so that when she comes, we can understand, we can hear the noise and run off fast. But actually it was impossible to bell the cat. So what you will do? You will read the story loudly for 5 times at least. Okay, so that will be your homework. You please read the story at least for 5 times. Thank you and have a nice day.